Lot 239, the 1906 Pungs Finch Limited Touring. A big 50 horsepower, 650 cubic inch touring car. If you've never seen another one, that's because this is the only one. A Detroit-built partnership between engine builder Edward Finch and his father-in-law. And like all great cars, it's attracted attention from luminaries from day one. Henry Austin Clark Jr. owned it, Brian Joseph restored it, and Amelia Island honored it. In fact, Henry Ford himself called this the finest car he had ever seen. The 1906 Pungs Finch.
Absolutely. Now that is an imposing and impressive motor car, ladies and gentlemen. Early brass era automobile. I love them. What should we say, ladies and gentlemen? Let's open the bidding at $300,000, shall we? 300 to start. Thank you, sir. I knew you'd be bidding at $300,000. Do I have any doubts? So 300,000, 350 if you like. 350 anywhere now. Would you bid me 350? I've got you at 350. Thank you. 350. Do I have 375 now? Do I have 375? Thank you. 375 on the internet at 375,000. 400,000. I've taken 400 here, I apologize. Do I have 425 from you? I've taken 400 here in the room at 400,000, 425. Thank you, 425,000. Would you bid me 450 now? 450, thank you, 450, 475,000 here in the room. Do I have $500,000 now? At $475,000, do I have $500,000? Well, it's very 500,000, thank you, on the internet. At 500,000, do I have 525 anywhere now? Well, at 500,000, the bid's on the internet. At $500,000, ladies and gentlemen, do I have any thanks? At 500,000. Well, I'm going to settle then if there's no better bid. At just $500,000. 525. 525. 550. 550. Well, at 525,000 and selling here to the front row, and it's going for the first time. 550. Thank you. 550. 575 if you like. 575,000. Thank you. Back in with me at 575,000 in the front row. You're out on the internet. $600,000 on the internet. 625 if you like. We're at 625,000. Back in again at 625. 650. 650 if you like. We're at 625,000. I'm selling here on my left. 650,000. Back in with me. Do I have 675 now? 675,000 on my left now, 675. Do I have $700,000 now? 700,000, thank you. Back in with me on the internet at 700,000. And 25 again. That's 725. Back in here, it's like a tennis game. At 725,000, 750 now. We're at $725,000, then it's in the room selling on the way. Make absolutely no mistake. I'm going to count it down. It's going for the first time. At $725,000, it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. Third and last time at 750. Woo, that was close. 775, they say. I'm glad you're having a lot of fun. So I have 800. It's never so much fun spending somebody else's money. At $775,000, that is selling here in the room. It's going for the first time. It's going for the second, third, and last time at $775,000. All done, all finished. Are you sure? Last chance. Sold your car. Well done. $775,000. Can I get a number? Jonathan, I know you're excited, but I'd like a number from you as well.
718.